and every year on the date of the accident, it runs again as a warning to others, plunging into the gap, shrieking like a lost soul. Percy, what are you talking about? The ghost train. A driver saw it last night. Where? He didn't say. Oh, it makes my wheels wobble to think of it.
Puffed Thomas. You're just a silly little engine, Percy. I'm not scared.
Thomas didn't believe in no ghost,
said Percy next morning. His driver laughed.
Neither did I. It was only a pretend ghost on television.
Percy was disappointed. That evening, he came back home from the harbour